Want remember the old time saying, where say cock mouth kill cock? It means you're not for boast or talk out of turn. On Sunday Night Live, this Sunday, we'll be talking about the courts granting injunction against Portmore becoming a parish. DJ Khaled, Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer link up to create new music after 15 years. Good times at 4 at 8 p.m. right after the uploads. So make it a date, don't be late, 8 p.m. right on Expressions JA's YouTube channel. See you on Sunday.
No, we own this. See?
That's why you build a show like that on the condo.
Yeah, this inspired me, you know. And as you can see, 2-bedroom, bathroom. You like the shower?
I love the shower. Set your so making that is no bed. Candleman. I wanna dance like somebody.
How we can do this too?
Yes. But we have to do it. Commissioner will be here. Because you know I'm loud noise. You know.
But she's not there now, we can do a little thing, Chris in the house.
Trevor. I don't have time for that yet. We have to bless the house first.
Alright, come
Alright.
Nah, rush it.
Now like the place well clean. Oh, one thing babe. So right there, so it needs to straighten.
Yeah. Hey, I really want it up. I owe you that.
Babe, mega live here. We need to see the things that man interested, everything you check.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Babe, I love the room space, but one thing I want. We need more shelf. This can't hold the stuff, and I don't really want to put too much things in here, like, you know, them big chests that I don't want to know. So, the shelf.
Come in.
Hmm?
It's a start. We can work on that when things get in place. Own
Alright.
yourself.
I'm not worried. So tell me, which section are all? Because you know nobody will come over with spot in the trouble. You know all this here.
Come in. Look. So yesterday, I already paid them with some of the time on it and down this one. That's an hour boundary. You
Oh.
understand? Yeah. So you don't have to worry about nobody will come over your boundary.
You know me, get ready for build a wall. I like it here.
Come in.
Hmm?
You know, say, I will continue emphasis to you. I'm going to try my best to make it shine.
No trouble. You can take your time.
You know, say, I tried to do this a long time ago and it never worked out. See, I just want you to know, say, are you? And it has always been you. If I know nobody else, I must you.
Trevor.
Come here. You look after my youth. You look after me. You save my life. So, I have to do this. Johnson.
If you're ever on site today,
Me call you back. Camille Johnson.
yes, Trevor. Yes. Yes. Yes.
What Camille? You couldn't even put the ring by your finger.
No, but no, I get on my phone call. Me put it on myself. Yes. Mrs. Camille Sullivan. It has a nice ring to it, not true, babe?
Camille Sullivan. Trevor Sullivan. Camisha Sullivan.
Babe, I have something to ask you. You ever have doubts about Camisha not being your child?
Well, with all what go on with the other one, then we are not mine. I think about it.
Alright. I have something for show you.
I don't know where I'm gonna mash up my day.
You know you love sleep and snore down.
So you say?
I'm always a say to you say something I go catch in your mouth. Well, not never catch in your mouth, but I swab it.
Swab? Where you do that for?
Because open it.
You gotta do a DNA test?
Yes, even though me never guilty or nothing, but they don't put your mind at ease.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.